that makes me happy because it means that what we're doing is working. So I'm.
Oh yeah, you did a really great job.
Good morning, family. Oh, it's a beautiful day to be selling Silicon Valley. It's the first vlog of 2021. It's been a while since we've vlogged and so much has happened. And I can't wait to fill you guys in and take you through the day, but I'm cold, so let's get in the car. No words, no actions will deter me from knowing my own self-worth and pursuing my goals. I list multi-million-dollar property. I'm a closer. All right, guys. So, have you guys seen the new office yet? I don't know. Lots changed. 2021, new year, new me. Not really, but same me. New office though, which is cool. We're still trying to get everything situated. Put the TV up. Got some whiteboards up. Obviously, this is a work in progress, but since we haven't vlogged it a little bit, I thought it'd be a good opportunity for me to kind of just let you guys know what happened in 2020 and how the team did and everything, and then also talk about 2021. So in 2020, we wrapped up the year very strong. We ended up with 36 families served in 2020. Which is pretty awesome. You know, I'm pretty stoked that we were able to help 36 families. We were 4 shy, dagger in the chest, from our goal of 40 families served in 2020. So this year, the goal is to double that. So we're looking for a minimum of 75 families served. Everyone knows every single night I've been texting that we're selling 75 homes this year. We're gonna help 75 families this year. So everyone knows that that is the objective, that is the wildly important goal. But aside from that, I'm really excited because in December we were able to welcome 3 new team members. We have Tony, young stallion, 19 years young, full of energy. Then we got Billy. Billy is in his second career now and looking to make a dent in the real estate space. Good guy and high customer, like his ability for or his knack for customer service is spot on. So like I really appreciate his presence, especially when it comes to interfacing with clients. He's great. And then we got Sean Pinello. Sean is actually was on the channel a long time ago. As a real estate investment expert. Now he's transitioned and he's looking to do more stuff with the team and as an agent. So we have those 3, and then obviously, I don't know, did we introduced Kiana, right, to the vlog? So Kiana, yeah, everyone knows Kiana. People should know who Kiana is. So yeah, now we've got 8 agents, including myself, which is cool. And then we got J-Rod back there on the camera, Mr. Nahome, and then Mr. Nahome. Mr. Nahome. What am I doing? It's too early, dude. I need a little more coffee. Last year with COVID, everything changed, right? And for the first 6 months of the year, we really didn't sell that many houses. So the majority of the homes and the families that we helped were in the second part of 2020. So we have a ton of momentum coming into 2021. We have a lot of new client procurement systems, like ways of meeting new clients now. Before, pre-COVID, really big part of our strategy was actually open houses, meaning like a lot of the clients that we met were actually clients that we met during an open house. But that's changed now, right? Because now we don't have open houses. So we adapted and adjusted our strategy. We came up with what I feel is probably the best virtual open house strategy in the country. If you want those secrets, it'll only be $9,999, a one-time fee for me to coach you for an hour on how to do it. I'm just kidding. But I'm serious. Can't give away all my secrets, dude. I gotta keep some of them, you know, tucked in here, right? Can't give away all the secrets. But aside from that, things are great. Katie's great. The home is great. The new house is great. We're really excited to be welcoming a puppy into our household in 2021. Oh shit. I got her a puppy for Christmas, but it's not born yet. So I put a deposit on a puppy that's not even born yet. I know, ridiculous. but we're supposed to pick it up sometime in the summer of this year. And, oh yeah, Katie and I both had COVID, but unfortunately, yeah, we both had coronavirus. She had no symptoms. The day after Christmas, I woke up with like body aches and everything that turned into a fever that lasted for about 3 days. It was brutal. Don't recommend. I will definitely be getting the vaccine the second it comes out because that was it was within the top 3 worst or most sick that I've ever been. So do not recommend you getting COVID. And I feel a lot better now for those of you like at home wondering like, oh God, is he okay? Like, I'm fine. Lasted for about 4 days was really the worst of it. And then it started to kind of subside. So anyways, that's a recap. That's a 2020 recap. Now 2021, come over here, Jira. Come over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot to add one more here. So we have 6 coming soon listings. We have 2 on the market right now. We have 4 homes pending, and we're about to add a 5th home pending today. So we're close. We're getting there. We're getting there. In terms of hitting our goals, I actually think, based on what I'm seeing in terms of like lead metrics and numbers from last year and how we're comparing to this year, et cetera, we're actually going to sell more than 75 homes this year, which is pretty exciting. So unless the world implodes again and we get like coronavirus part 2. See, COVID was a roadblock, but it wasn't a stone wall. We climbed over that roadblock, right? We were able to get over it. So whatever comes our way, we'll find a way to adjust and overcome. Either you win and you adjust, or you lose and crumble. We don't crumble right here.
The first thing I'm grateful for is my new nephew. He was born yesterday.
Yay!
So he's a happy, healthy, chunky boy.
Chunky's good. Chunky's good.
And then number 3 would be for Starbucks and boba. They're the only things that it's the fuel. Those are the fuel to my system. So
I second you on Starbucks. I'm literally on my way right now.
I'm grateful for Hanzai Tree. I'm grateful for Stephanie. I'm grateful for Tony. I'm grateful for Kiki. I'm grateful for this team's momentum. We have a lot of momentum going into this month, and I'm feeling great about it.
All right, fam, it's been a busy morning and just knocking out a bunch of different things that I need to do. Obviously, you guys saw shooting my Silicon Valley snapshot, weekly market update. I've been shooting a lot of videos recently. Aside from that, also just catching up on phone calls, prospecting, talking to future clients, current clients, old clients, just doing my best to find more families to serve. So, dude, the whole team right now is just on fire. It feels great. And I'm eating my oatmeal right now because I'm getting fueled up to go work out. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Still gotta keep the body healthy, you know? Gotta keep the body agile. Huge.
One of the things I'm most grateful for is that one of my closest friends, Kyle, owns this gym and been able to come in like when no one's here and stick to COVID protocols and still get my fitness in. Been one of the greatest blessings during this whole pandemic, so definitely very grateful for it.
Hey Kyle, I'm grateful for you.
great for you too, buddy.
What a guy. Guys, I'm doing something that I hope I won't regret. I'm giving J-Rod the keys to the bat tumbler.
I'm like horrified right now. Dude, it's my car now, guys.
snap, J-Rod. Oh, snap. It's about that time, dude.
What time is that?
What time it is, dude?
Dude,
Guess what time it...
what time is it?
Guess what time it is, J-Rod?
Is that boba time?
What time is it?
Boba time.
What time is it?
It's boba time.
The boys are back. The boys are back in town.
Good, baby.
Is it boba time?
You know what time it is, baby.
Boba time.
It's boba time. All right, fam. We are on our way right now to SSV's newest listing. Kiana and I just listed a property here in Hayward. And so we're driving up right now. We're gonna shoot the virtual open house, the listing video, everything. And then we have a listing appointment later this evening with Hansai Tree. That's what I call him now. That's his new nickname, Hans's new nickname, Hansai Tree. You like the virtual open house, huh?
I do. I think you did a really great job.
That makes me happy because it means that what we're doing is working. So I'm
Oh yeah, you did a really great job. And just one final question: do you so there's no offer deadline, right? Basically, you just take it as it comes.
Right now, there is no offer deadline. I will say that, you know, since we put it on the market, I've had almost 20 showings on the property. I've had a few agents reach out to me telling me that, you know, or asking me the right questions, but I don't have anything in hand. But if I get something, well, I'll definitely let you know. But if you were to proceed, I would put you in touch with one of my team members, and they could help you write the offer and everything, and help you get it accepted. So guys, that was someone who's interested in one of our listings on South Almaden. Super nice lady called me and was telling me that she's actually not gone out at all to see any properties, and that she's only seeing homes virtually, and she was really impressed with our virtual open house. And that makes me super happy because I know that what we're doing is very unique. It's not common for agents to be doing the virtual open houses, especially the way that we're doing. So the fact that she commented and said that we did it well tells me that we're doing something right, and it makes me proud of the way that we've been able to adapt to this situation. You know, it's not easy to sell homes right now. It's harder, right? But with SSV,
anything is possible.
anything is possible. All right, cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's the hard work, man.
All right. Congrats to Kiana Gordon on her first selling Silicon Valley listing, baby. That's what
It's
I'm
been
talking
awesome.
about.
It's been fun.
Nice.
It's official.
Hans got a listing appointment right now.
Let's get it. It's in Santa Clara. It's a very nice house. Very excited.
Is it two plus million?
2+ million.
2+ million.
We're gonna go in there like $1 million listings style over here.
Yes,
I'm
we
gonna show
will.
you guys a tour of the house.
$1 million listing with a mask.
Exactly. They were really nice people, and I really enjoyed the appointment. Their kitchen was so nice.
It was nice. So we're gonna get them more information on how we can help them get up the peninsula, and then you know, hopefully we'll be working together.
I think we will.
I think so. Well, if they move, we're definitely.
Well, I don't know. You went to Bellarmine.
Yeah. Apparently, it's not cool to be a Bellarmine grad. But anyways, guys, it's Danny Gould.
This is Hanswell.
We're selling Silicon Valley. We'll catch all of you in the next vlog.